Hello everyone and welcome to my channel 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, and as you saw today I'm going to be showing you how to bling out your Touchland Croc case, guys. So this is a white one. I finally was able to get one on Amazon, link will be down below, because if you know, these had been sold out for a while. So I finally got one, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how to bedazzle it. So if you want to learn exactly how, keep on watching. So this is how it looks. So let's jump right into it. To begin, I removed all the gibbets. So whether you want the gibbets or not, still remove them for this first step. We are going to prep. So right here, I removed all of them. And now this is how it looks. So now I'm going to place some napkins on my table because it is going to get messy. So I have my nail drill right here that I'm going to be using to file down that top layer on the case. So this is just like bedazzling a croc. I have showed you guys how to do that as well. I'm going to be taking off this top layer to make sure that the glue can adhere to the case better, because if I just apply the glue like this, the rhinestones are going to fall off. It is very, very important to always prep your items. So as you guys can see here, all the little white fuzzies everywhere, that is the top layer I am removing. So I'm only doing this to the areas I'm going to bedazzle, which is going to be the whole top area right here, this back part of the case, and a bit of the areas around it. I am not filing off the side areas where it says Touchland and Crocs, and I am not doing that edge as well because I still want it to be a bit stretchy. So when I put the hand sanitizer in, it still has a bit of stretchiness to it. So just the areas that I'm going to bling. Make sure you file down everything that you want to bling. And if you don't have a nail drill, you can always just use a regular file like a nail file or some sandpaper as well. Once I finished up filing down the case, I grabbed a clean napkin, poured some alcohol on it, and wiped down all that dust and everything I just filed off, making sure the case is completely clean and ready to bling. Moving on to the best part, I got AB rhinestones in a mixture of sizes ranging from SS6 all the way to SS20. I am going to be using 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 as my glue, and I also have my pickup tool ready to go. So to start bedazzling, I am starting off at the top corner, working by sections, applying my 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 glue, and with a toothpick, I'm going to make this easier by spreading the glue, guiding it, making it a bit more flat and easier to work with, because 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 is very, very messy, but it works wonderful with Crocs. So for this design, I wanted to go with the scattered method, so I'm just randomly applying the rhinestones as I go, making sure that all the areas are filled in. It's like playing Tetris, guys. That's why I love doing the scattered method. It's so much fun. Working by sections, like I said, so my glue stays fresh. And just continue doing that through the whole case. Very easy and very simple. Pattern is completely up to you. Just remember to always prep. This would be, before you start applying the rhinestones, this would be your time to apply the gibbets back onto the case if you do want to do that. I did not. I actually decided to apply larger heart rhinestones, kind of giving the illusion that they are gibbets, even though they're not. You guys will see that in a bit. But right here, guys, you guys see me finishing up my first section. This is how it looks. Beautiful, beautiful. Again, doing another section, working my way throughout the case. So like I was telling you guys, I used chunky heart rhinestones to fill in as gibbets. So I just went around that area, applied some 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, and then I applied the heart that covers over that hole, and then just bedazzled around it, continuing my scattered method. Very easy, guys. It's up to you guys if you want to use gibbets, fill in rhinestones, up to you guys. The idea is going to be endless. Just have fun with it. I did try to fill in all the gibbet holes with those chunky hearts, but I didn't like how it looked, so I just did some random ones around and then left the rest of the gibbet holes alone. You guys will see. Or actually, you guys already saw at the beginning how it looks, so yeah. And right here, you guys can see the area I told you I did not file down where it says Crocs and Touchland. I wanted to leave those little logos alone so you can still see what it is. And then that trim edge right there, so it can still be stretchy, I left that alone as well. I did not bling it, so when I add the Touchland hand sanitizer, it still has a bit of that stretchiness and it does not bother the rhinestones. So right here, I'm bedazzling the area around where the little keychain is, just giving it a bit of a more extra detail, you know. So yeah guys, this is a very easy and basic tutorial. Most important thing is to prep, and then the ideas, however you want to bedazzle it, add gibbets, yes or no, completely up to you guys. Have fun. If you want to do it exactly like this, now you know exactly how to do it. If you are a regular watcher, you already know my very typical tips. Always remember to double check your work by sections, and just have fun guys. So yes, very easy, same thing throughout the whole case guys. And I also did add a bit of 𝓭𝓸𝓻𝓰 right below the chunky hearts just to make sure they were better attached. Just a little extra tip if you are doing that. So yeah guys, very easy and very simple. Overall, very easy tutorial guys. So finishing up right here, I did let the case dry for 48 hours before using it guys. Look at my final results. I have to say, I am obsessed. I love this case. It is gorgeous. The scattered method really makes it pop, and I just love those chunky rhinestone hearts guys. So I got my hand sanitizer right here. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the case. Like I said, I did leave those edges not bedazzled because it does need to be stretched, as you guys can see here. It's hard to do it with my nails, but you can clearly see it stretching, and I didn't want to damage those rhinestones, so I left that alone. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. I just love it. I love this case. It is gorgeous guys. Let me know what you think. Are you going to be bedazzling a case just like this now that you know exactly how to do it? So I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you learned a little something. Don't forget to give this video a like. Share it with any Touchland lover you might know out there that would love to bedazzle her case as well. Guys, oh my god, this case is just beautiful. I love it. Definitely will be using it on my bags. It's gonna look gorgeous. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more DIYs to come. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. Help me get this channel out there guys. I am just starting off, so share it please. I really do appreciate it. All right guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.